On a standard 8 by 8 chessboard, find number 1, number of rectangles, number 2, number of squares, number 3, how many ways we can choose 4 unit squares lying on one diagonal. This is the question. So now this is the 8 by 8 chessboard. So this chessboard is having total 1, 2, 3, 9 vertical lines and 9 horizontal lines. So to first question, now come to the question number 1. So for first question solution is, so here to form a square, so to form a square, sorry, to form a rectangle, first question is number of rectangles. To form a rectangles, we need to select 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. So because suppose you are selecting these 2 vertical lines, that is 4 and 6, these 2 vertical lines, and 2 and 3, these horizontal lines. Therefore 4, 6 and 2, 3, this gives this rectangle, that is 4, 6 and 2, 3. Therefore gives this rectangle. So the total number of rectangles is nothing but the number of ways of selection of 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. So selection of 2 vertical lines from 9 vertical lines and selection of 2 horizontal lines from 9 horizontal lines gives one rectangle. Therefore total number of rectangles is equal to, first question answer is, total 9 vertical lines are there. From 9 vertical lines we can select the 2 vertical lines in 9C2 ways and multiplication theorem. Now horizontal lines, 9 horizontal lines are there. From 9 horizontal lines, 2 horizontal lines we can select in 9C2 ways. So the total number of rectangles are 9C2 into 9C2. So these many rectangles will be there. This is the first question. Now question number 2, that is number of squares. So to solve question number 2, so the number of squares. So here this question we will solve by dividing it into different cases, because number of squares means here different types of squares are there, that is 1 unit squares and the 2 unit squares, etc., 3 unit squares, etc. So first we will calculate 1 unit squares. So first one is 1 unit squares. So to find 1 unit squares, first what we do, 1 unit square means suppose 1 comma 2, that is vertically if you select 1 comma 2 and horizontally 1 comma 2, then this unit square, this is the one unit square. uh, uh, or 4 comma, suppose vertically 4 comma 5 if you select and horizontally 2 comma 3 if you select, then this unit square, this is the 1 unit square. So to find the number of unit squares, what you do is you write the ordered pairs with 1 unit gap. So vertically, how many ordered pairs will be there with 1 unit gap? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, etc., 8 comma 9. That is 8 ordered pairs will be there. Similarly, horizontally also 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, etc., 8 comma 9. Therefore 8 ordered pairs horizontally. So to find the number of unit squares, first you write the ordered pairs with 1 unit gap, vertical and horizontal. Therefore 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, etc. Last one is 8 comma 9. Similarly, horizontally, same 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, etc. 8 comma 9. So here the total number of unit squares is equals to, so number of ways of selection of one ordered pair from these 8 ordered pairs into number of ways of selection of one ordered pair from these 8 ordered pairs, that is 8 into 8, that is 64. Therefore number of 1 unit squares is equals to 8 into 8. that is equals to 8 square. So 8 square unit squares will be there. So now because here this 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 gives 1 unit square, this 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 gives 1 unit square, that is this 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, vertically 1 comma 2, horizontally 2 comma 3, this unit square. Similarly, this 1 comma 2 8 comma 9 gives 1 unit square. Like this, total number of unit squares will be 8 square. Similarly, next we will calculate the 2 unit squares. So 2 unit squares. So 2 unit squares, to count the number of 2 unit squares, what you do is you take the ordered pairs with 2 units gap. That is 2 unit square, for example, vertically if you take 2 comma 4 lines, vertically 2 comma 4 lines, horizontally suppose 3 comma 5 lines. So 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 2 comma 4 gives this rectangle, that is this square, that is 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 5, this square, 2 unit square. So that's why you take the ordered pairs with 2 units gap, that is 1 3, 2 4, 3 5, 4 6, 5 7, 6 8, 7 9. So vertically, horizontally the same. So vertically 7 and horizontally 7 ordered pairs. Therefore, similar to first one, number of 2 unit squares is equals to 7 into 7, that is 7 square. Similarly, third one, so number of 3 unit squares. So to count the 3 unit square, you take the ordered pairs with 3 units. Yeah. So how many ordered pairs will be there? 6 ordered pairs. Therefore, 3 unit squares. Therefore, 3 unit squares. 3 unit squares. 6 square, etc. Last one is 8 unit squares. 8 unit squares is only 1. That is the chessboard itself. That is 1 square. That is equals to 1. So the total number of squares we need to count. Therefore, number of squares. So number of squares is equal to, now if you add all these cases, therefore total number of squares is equal to 1 unit squares 8 square, 2 unit square 7 square, 3 unit square 6 square, etc. 8 unit square, that is chessboard itself, that is 1 square, that is 1. So the total number of unit squares is equal to the total number of squares is equals to sum of the squares of 8 natural numbers. Therefore, we have the result, sum of the squares of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. So this is the result. In this one, if you substitute 8, then you will get the number of squares, that is 8 into 8 plus 1 into 2 into 8 plus 1 by 6, that is equals to 8 into 9 into 17 by 6, that is 3 times 3 2 times 2 4 times, that is 12 into 17, that is equals to 204. Therefore, number of squares on chessboard are 204. This is the second question solution. Now come to the third question. So third question, how many ways we can choose 4 unit squares lying on one diagonal? So to answer this third question, see 4 unit squares are lying on one diagonal. See, if you see this diagonal contain only 1 unit square. So this diagonal contains only 2 unit squares. So this diagonal contains only 3 unit squares. So this diagonal contains 4 unit squares. Therefore, our solution starts from here. So if you consider this diagonal contains 4 unit squares. We need to select 4 unit squares. So from 4 unit squares on this diagonal, 4 unit squares, from 4 unit squares, we need to select 4 unit squares. How many ways we can select? Only one way. So not only these diagonals, by the symmetry, we have this side also. This side also. Similarly, this side and this side. So the total number of ways is equals to 4 ways. Third question, 4 ways. Plus, now come to the next diagonal. So this diagonal contains how many unit squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit squares. Now from these 5 unit squares, we need to select 4 unit squares. How many ways we can select? 5C4 ways. So by the symmetry, this side also. By the symmetry, so by the symmetry, this side and this side and this side. So we can select 4 unit square from 5 unit squares, 5C4 ways into 4. Similarly, now come to the next diagonal. Now, next diagonal, that is this one. This diagonal. This diagonal contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit squares. So from 6 unit squares, we need to select 4 6C4 ways. Similarly, this side, this side, this side by symmetry. Therefore, 4 into 64 unit squares. That is 4 into 64. Next, plus come to the next diagonal. So this diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unit squares. So 4 into 7C4, total number of unit squares. That is 4 into 7C4 plus. Next, last one is, see, you see this diagonal. So this diagonal contains 1, this diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unit squares. From 8 unit squares, 4 unit squares, 8C4 ways. But here only this diagonal and this diagonal. Only you will have 2, not 4. That is here 2 times 8C4. Because from 8 unit squares, 4 unit squares can be selected in 8C4 ways. So these many units, 4 unit squares can be selected from diagonal. 4 unit squares can be selected lying on one diagonal. So this is the solution.